Welcome to this tutorial on max aggregation across planning levels. First, review the objective. The introduction slide explains that stored key figure data aggregates when a planning view uses a higher planning level, and max mode displays the highest underlying value at the requested level. In this example, IO maximum on-hand inventory is used as an upper bound key figure with base planning level PRODLOC and disaggregation mode copy value. Next, open the SAP IBP web application to review the planning area configuration. Next, the planning areas list is displayed. The IIM planning area is highlighted in the table. Click the IIM planning area ID to open the model configuration used in this example. After opening the planning area detail page is displayed on the General tab. The Key Figures tab is highlighted because aggregation behavior is configured for each key figure. Click Key Figures to continue. After clicking Key Figures, the key figure list is displayed. The search field is highlighted above the list. Click the search field to locate the key figure for this walkthrough. After selecting the search field, enter a key figure ID, such as IO Max Inventory. Then click the search button to filter the key figure list. After filtering the list, IO Max Inventory is displayed with the name IO Maximum on-hand inventory. Click the key figure ID to open its details. After opening the key figure details, the characteristics section is displayed. The aggregation mode field is highlighted and shows max, while the base planning level is a PRODLOC. This means the highest underlying value is shown when data is viewed at a higher planning level. Next, switch to Microsoft Excel to see the effect in a planning view. Now, the Excel planning view is displayed by Product ID and Location ID. The SAP IBP ribbon is visible, and Edit View is highlighted. Click Edit View to change the planning level attributes. After clicking Edit View, the Edit Planning View window opens on Time Settings. The Attributes button is highlighted in the navigation area. Click Attributes to change the displayed planning attributes. After clicking Attributes, the All Attributes and Selected Attributes areas are displayed. Material and Location ID are selected, so the worksheet currently shows data by product and location. Clear Location ID to aggregate the view to the product level. After clearing Location ID, only material remains in selected attributes. Click OK to apply the change planning level to the worksheet. After confirming the change, the worksheet refreshes and the section changes to aggregate data by product ID. The Location ID column is removed and the rows are shown at product level. For max aggregation, each product level value displays the highest underlying location level value for the period. In summary, this workflow first verifies that the upper bound key figure is configured with aggregation mode max, then shows the same key figure at a detailed product and location level and at the higher product level. When Location ID is removed from the planning view, SAP IBP aggregates the underlying values and displays the maximum value at the requested level. The exact planning area, key figures, attributes, periods, currencies, and values may vary by system setup. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.